12 months in a year. The first month is January.
January.
What's next?
February.
What's next?
March.
Okay.
April.
Okay.
May.
Okay.
June.
Okay.
July.
Okay.
August.
Okay.
September.
September. Okay.
Sunday.
No, October. September and October.
October.
Okay.
November.
Okay.
December.
Good job. And what are the 7 days?
Sunday.
Okay.
Monday.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Thursday.
Okay.
Friday.
Friday. Okay.
Saturday.
Good job. Say good night.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Sister.
Sister.
Sister. Brother baby.
Brother. Baby. And
Daddy.
okay.
Sunday.
Uh-huh.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Sunday.
All done.
Monday.
अनि where do we live?
Tuesday.
Baby, हामी कुन स्टेटमा बस्छौँ नि?
Kentucky.
Good job. Good night, भन न त.
Good night.
Everybody. Good night, everybody. Bye bye. See you soon. के काउन्ट गरेको नि तिमीले? भन त.